Okay, so today we are going to be working on the shift knob. Zoe here again. We have to get the shift knob done by tomorrow because we're doing Secret Santa tomorrow. But first, take a look at this board. Beauty. So we went to Home Depot quickly and we bought a caliper. And we found out, going off of this other shift knob that I have, right here, that it's 2 inches is what we're looking for. This is a nice feeling shift knob, so we're gonna go 2 inches. What does that mean? I have no idea because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So, yeah, fun. Okay, so we're gonna be using this massive mahogany chunk because it's really all we got. We gotta cut it down to 3 inches. We're going extra because we probably will screw up a little bit here. So we're going 3 inches by 3 inches, which is already at 3 inches. So I'm not gonna record this part. We'll just be back once we get this cut because I don't know how long or difficult this is gonna be. So. Okay, so we just cut the piece and it went really well, except for the fact that we had to keep the door closed because it's late at night. And bro, my mouth is like, it tastes like metal. Like I don't know if I ingested or like breathed. I don't know, my mouth is just like, I'm washing my mouth out with water. It tastes disgusting. We don't even know if it's a poisonous wood.
Pretty sure it is.
But I might die, but hey, shift knob time, let's do it. So we got the lathe set up here. Again, this is our first time using it, so this might go horribly wrong. Zoe's getting my face shield set up because pieces can go flying with a lathe, so we're gonna be safe. I'm actually nervous. Like, this is the first time I've been really nervous about using a tool, so. Oh, okay. I'm super nervous. We're super behind in schedule. Oh God, ready?
It's not satisfying. What the hell?
I don't know what I'm doing. I think that's okay. I'm so nervous. Now you just gotta go like. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. Well,
figured it out. It's not really into this. Look. This is what really spins it. Now.
you did something.
Very minimal, but it did something. Okay, so we got the piece nice and round. Oh, we got some dust on you. Maybe I shouldn't use my... So we got it nice and round. Now, we need to use a skew, which I think is this. Are these the same? These are the same. So maybe we use the small skew. And we gotta make a little thingy here that fits on our chuck. So we're gonna do that next. Okay, so we went ahead and got this chuck on here now. Now, technically speaking, we should be able to just do this. There we go. Beauty. Now I don't really know if I have the right tool for this, so we're gonna hope that we do. Let's find out. That was close. We're good though. Okay, we're really screwing this up now. Okay, we're gonna try again. I was using this tool. See how it's flat? We're gonna try using this tool where it's round. Okay, so we've come to the conclusion that I took way too much material off. Let me show you. You can see I took way too much off of here and here. Now it looks like a weird cone. That's okay. Time to start.
Like a doorknob.
Yeah, oh, yeah. You know what? It could be like a good little doorknob. Time to start from scratch. That's not fun.
No.
What time is it?
Almost 11.
Oh my gosh. And look at that. We are back in the same situation as last time. Like nothing even happened. Except a lot of stuff happened. So, my tool kind of skipped. You can see that big chunk. So I was working at this. I think I have it in a pretty good spot. I actually ended up reducing the amount, like the size of it. And then when I was resting my tool, I took a very good chunk out of it. Now, I just thought, well, that's it, it's over. But then I also realized that one side needs a threaded rod in it. Not threaded rod, but threaded insert. So I might be able to sand that out and put it right there. I'm thinking that's what's gonna happen because this is too perfect. Or at least I think it's perfect. I don't know realistically, but like it looks pretty good to me for, you know, the sphere part of it. Like, I don't know. I think it looks pretty good. It might not be perfect. I'm not too sure. We'll find out. So, I'm giving up on the sphere. You know, I've tried 4 times now and couldn't get it. It's almost 2 a.m. in the morning at this point. I gotta work tomorrow. So what I'm going to attempt is to make something like this, more of a cylinder instead of a sphere. I got this piece of mahogany here, you know, rounded out, taper it a bit because this side's smaller. So the widest part is the circle. So I'll make it the widest part, then I'll taper it in a little bit, taper it out that way a little bit. I don't know. I'm kind of just guessing this time because the sphere, I was kind of following a YouTube video, how to make a sphere. This one, I'm just going to kind of freehand it. So let's see. So now, as you can see, I have the shift knob, if it focus, right here, sanded down. This would be the bottom. What I should have done is while I was cutting it to remove it, I should have left enough strength to taper these edges now. I don't know really how to get this on the actual lathe to be able to taper these edges evenly. What I might just have to do is just sander, but I don't really want to. So still gonna think some options here and then I'll get back to you. Okay, now this might look, feel, and quite honestly be pretty stupid. Flying with a lathe, so we're gonna be safe. I'm gonna router this edge to give it that chamfer because again, I really just want to have that angle really even across it. Then I'm gonna sand it down with my palm sander. Again, kind of stupid. I'm wearing protection to make sure that if this goes flying, but I don't really know any other choice I have at this time, so let's do it. Not bad, not bad. So I built myself a little sanding contraption here with some clamps and my sander upside down so I could properly sand it, but it's 2 a.m. and it's way too loud. I'm gonna go to bed. Like I said, I gotta work tomorrow, so we're gonna have to finish this up tomorrow regardless. It's not exactly what I wanted it to look like. It's actually a lot better than what I thought it was gonna be. I'm still mad that I wasn't able to get this top 100%. Like, I don't know. I thought I could. I think it could have been better. I'm probably gonna do something else for Secret Santa on top of this, just because I don't think this is enough. I am going to head to bed. That is it for me today. We are back once again. It is the next day. It's very late in the day. I've been running around like crazy to try to find the thread for this thing. I can't find it for the life of me, so we're gonna just kind of have to just not do it today. It sucks, but at least we got the shift knob kind of ready. I'm gonna give it some more sanding. Okay. Here's our shift knob. As you can see, looking all knobby and stuff. So here's the actual shift knob we were going off of. It's a little bit more chamfered here than like this one, but I kind of like this more. Like this just feels a little too round. And the bottoms, we have less of a chamfer, but again, I kind of like it. Time to do the finishings on this guy. Hopefully it turns out well. So just so you guys know, this is what I used for the finishing. It's an exterior finish, so it should have good UV lighting or UV protection. I wiped off all of the access and this is kind of what it looks like. You can kind of see, you can get a better angle with the light. The top is a lot darker, which I kind of actually like.